we are, the popular Oxford Street here in Accra. Night vibes. This is one of the busy, popular streets here. So what they'll tell you the action is for center of town if you come to Accra. And hotel is very close to here, so just wanted to give you a snapshot of how things look here in Oxford at night. So yeah. Alright people, so we'll walk out. As I said, street food, pretty cool. So here you'll get to see the raw, organic side of Accra, as opposed to if you go to East Lagoon, you'll see more of the upper class part without the street food and all the bikes or the borders. That's where I was today. But here in Oxford, you will get a sense and be very close to all the street food. As you can see, Coconuts just had one. All kinds of nightlife scene here in Accra. So yeah, if that's your thing. If you want peace and quiet, East Lagoon. Night vibes here in Oxford Street, people. KFC, killing foolish citizens. So, yeah, you're fine, sir. When in Accra, you could consider staying near Oxford Street, or your options would be East Lagoon. Is Accra safe? I think so. I wouldn't venture out there past maybe 11 on my own, just wandering, alone. But if you're with a local or you're kind of moving from one place to the next via a taxi, I think it's okay. Personally, I think that Ghanaians are extremely friendly. I've not had any bad experiences here. Fruits, but this goes on all night, So yeah, I think overall Ghanaians are very friendly folks. Can be a little intense, especially like places like this, but overall I wouldn't have any major concerns for safety in general public areas. Alright, so that's give you a sense of night scene here, Oxford Street, in Accra. I'm next to my hotel. It's right here. I Love Accra Urbano Hotel. Very iconic sign on a very popular hotel. Overrated a bit if you ask me. So, ciao people.